Here. Here's your spot. Okay, ready?
Why?
Let's plant some seeds. Ready? We gotta dig it up. Dig it up. Ah, here's the seeds. Some for you. Ready? Better cover them up. Gotta get all the dirt on there. Oh. What's that?
Sunflower.
Oh, we got sunflower seeds. Okay, we better water them. Here comes the sun. Oh, look at this! Look at the seeds. They go. They go. Show me your seeds grow. Oh, I see that. What's that? Oh, that looks like a balloon. Watch mine.
Blow pop.
Oh, blow it where it pops? Okay. Pop.
Tadpole.
Tadpole. Make a little swimmer. Ready?
Tadpole. Leg.
Yeah, tadpoles get legs and then they're frogs.
Baby frog. Tail.
Yeah, baby frogs still have tails because they're tadpoles.
Big frog.
Yeah, it becomes a big frog. Alright, why don't we try
Frog
this?
ate the fly.
Yes, he did. Okay, ready? Alright, let's share. Oh. Let's get some popcorn in there. Shh. Okay, ready? That looks good. Oh, here's a bunch. Ready? I can't reach it. There we go. Oh! Oh, it's so full. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think we should share a Coke.
Turn on and predict.
Just hop up on your seat. Hop up. Hey, here's my Coke I poured. Would you like a drink? Ah. That's pretty good. Oh, that was fun. You know what else?